Okay, your portfolio page, or your gallery, however you want to name it. We have a few little demos and samples in here. First thing I want to point out is the number of thumbnails that are going to show per page. We've actually set up pagination for you. So let's say you have 1,000 albums, 1,000 galleries. Obviously that won't be all on one page. It's going to go, page 1, 2, 3, 4, so forth and so forth. So right now we only see the 4, no pagination, no back or next or numbers, let you know what page you're on. And to adjust that or change that, what we want to do is look at the theme options panel, and that's the bottom option or button or nav button, whatever you want to call it, in the left nav, the left toolbar in the back end. That's where I'm at right now, theme options. And you'll see a tab that says number of posts. What we have in there, which we went over before, is how many posts show up per page for the blog. And then you'll see number of posts show on your portfolio pages. Right now it's 9. Time of this video it's 9, no pagination because we only have 4. So if I set this to 3, save, what happens now? Well, now we have pagination. So now it's creating a page for the next gallery. So clearly that's up to you and how you want to set that up. I'm going to go ahead and default back to, I don't know if 9. 9 is probably a good number. Put 9 back in there, but just so you know, there's a way to change that so it paginates. Alright, let's go to gallery. Right here's the gallery. And we have the 4 that are in there initially. I'm going to go ahead and click a new one. I'm going to put Charlie's demo. That's my text, my title, so you know what it is. Next thing we want to do is create the thumbnail, the initial picture we see in the on the portfolio page. Okay. So right over here, we're going to see featured image, set featured image. Let's go ahead and click this. And just for this demo, I'll take this out later. I'm going to grab a goofy picture from my library. Bear with me for a moment here, please. Let's do some elephants. Okay, make sure we do use as featured image. Click that, X out. Let's go ahead and publish this. Now, let's see. I come to the page, refreshed it. Here we are. There's my thumbnail. If I click it, obviously nothing happens. We have no pictures to go with the album. Alright? So how do we set that up? Pretty easy. What we want to do is come over to this upload and search section, and very key and very important, make sure you're not clicked in this. Make sure there's no cursor in here, okay? Click upload insert. And now what you're going to see is gallery. Gallery, and it says 1, because right now we have that one image of the elephants. Alright, so what I need to do is upload images to go with this gallery, with this album. I'm going to go ahead and grab just a couple default ones for my computer. Alright, let's go ahead and grab these 3. I'm going to do them all at one shot. Save some time. Now, a couple things. If you look up back where gallery is, it said 1 before, we've uploaded, now it says, 1 before, now it says 4. Gallery, and I'm not sure if I covered this in another video, is individual to each page and section you create. So gallery is only for that page or that section you create, not your entire back-end set of pictures, which is your media library. Okay, so that's where we're at right now. We have 4, including the elephant picture and these 3. So now what I want to do is go ahead and click Save Changes. Now that we're all set, let me close this out. Alright, update like we did. Now let's go ahead and refresh. Where am I? Oh, I already refreshed ahead of time. Sorry about that, kind of jumped ahead a little bit. Okay, we've got our images inserted through the image upload. I've uploaded refreshed the front end, the live site. So if I click the elephants, now I'm in the actual album, the gallery. So we'll see the images that I've uploaded. The girl, the watch, the hands, and the elephant. And if I open the first one, now here is my blow up. And I'm not sure if you noticed this before, we got a really, really cool demo, a lightbox gallery in here. We have arrows on the left and the right, so you can actually change pictures through this, as well as click a thumbnail, a really mini thumbnail in the gallery. That's going to load that up. Okay. We have a slideshow button down here. It's going to automatically play through it. You can stop and pause, skip through. But my favorite is if you have a really large picture, it crops it down for you, and you can actually make this picture larger if it is larger, in fact, by clicking this button on top right. So your gallery's got a lot of stuff going on for it automatically by default. That should do it for this section.